Today, I'm going to be riding the 2024 ZX6R. This bike is not tuned. All it has is a slip-on M4 exhaust. Looks like it's going to be raining here in a bit, so I'm going to go ahead and take this thing on the highway, see how it runs. My other video, I did the R1, which is pretty fun. I've heard a lot about these new ZX6Rs, so let's get into it. great. It's got a lot of power, you know, all the way around, and this takes a little bit more to pick up, but ultimately, I don't know, man, it feels a little more fun, I guess, than the R1. I don't know. It's definitely more comfortable, obviously, it's a 600, but aside from that, man, I mean, whether it's street or highway, I think this thing is fun no matter what. The R1, I mean, you can have fun on the street, but there's just so much power behind it. Even if you go in the low power modes, it's not going to be like, I don't know. It's a beast. There's just something about this, man. I feel like I have more control over this than I did the R1. The R1, man, I felt like, I mean, I didn't hit top speed on that video, but it definitely felt like I was being ripped off at 140, 150, whereas this, I still feel like I'm in control the whole way. The R1, it gets to a point where you get to a certain speed where you don't feel like, not that you don't have control, but I mean, for anyone who's ever rid the new R1s, you feel like you're ready to fly off.